Fix empty start menu in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Method 1. Fix corrupted system files. Use command prompt commands to repair system file corruption. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Method 2. Restart Windows Explorer. Method 3. Refresh the icon cache. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. If that didn't work. Method 4. Re-register the start menu. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Method 5. Use System Restore. Press the Windows key and R on your keyboard to open the Run box. System Restore is a feature in Microsoft Windows that allows users to revert their computer's state to a previous point in time. This can be helpful if you have made changes to your system that are causing problems.